Nahajamo se v slovenskem mladinskem gledališču SMG, skrajšano. Danes bom predstavil enega mojega prijatelja, ki ni tukaj. Z mano je igral v predstavi Nikelstav, ki je režiral Joe Bunna. Tukaj sem spoznal veliko dobrih ljudi, face, dobri igralci, ki jih boste lahko tudi videli v naslednjih epizodah. Danes vam predstavljam enega najboljših baletnikov, plesalcev in igralcev, Joe Bunna. What's up, my man?
It's good, man. It's good with you, dude. It's good to be here, no?
Yeah, nice to see you again, man.
Good to see you too, man.
Cool. How you doing?
I'm good.
You good?
Loving it here, loving it back,
Yeah.
you know? It's good.
I heard you're a father now.
I am a father, man. I love it. It's amazing. I got a brand new baby boy,
Yeah.
you know, so it's cool.
It's good.
It's really good.
Tell me, how old are you? For my fans and for the fans of Proteini.si.
I'm 28 years old. I come from DC, Washington, DC in USA. I've been in Slovenia about 5 years, and now I'm in Germany, so it's cool.
Good. And he's got a Slovenian girlfriend. No, our wife.
Our wife, Žena.
Žena, yeah, good.
Slovenka.
Slovenka, yeah, good.
Slovenka, yeah.
We're gonna do some punching and shit, so
Yeah.
you ready?
Alright, some samurai shit.
Samurai shit. Okay. You good? Okay. We're gonna learn my fans. We're gonna learn like straight punch,
Right.
and then uppercut, and then we're gonna do something with the leg, my favorite punch. Okay. First we go uppercut. No uppercut.
Straight.
Straight. Yeah. So when you do straight, put this hand up, and you do. Okay. Yeah. Once again. Up. Straight. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Like this. Oh, good. Straight. Boom. Good. Now we go uppercut. The same. You close your hips. Yeah. Like you can be a boxer, man. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Now we do combination, straight and uppercut. Yeah, good one. Good. And now when you finish uppercut, you go high kick, mawashigiri on my head. Yeah, like this. Okay, first we go slow. And boom. Then you hold your hands up. Okay? This. Yeah, good one. Maybe you can turn your leg, yeah, like this. You see it? Hold it a little bit. Okay, now we can dance, okay? Just like a ballet. Whoa, see that? Good. Okay, let's go. 1, 5, 3. And 2, 3. Oh, good. Good. Okay. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Yeah, hands up. And now go. 10, 5, 3. Yeah, okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Good one. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
fun, man.
Now you're gonna teach me some ballet, huh?
Position you start from is this position. Yeah.
Shit.
Fifth position, right? Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, but ideally you want it to be completely crossed.
Yeah.
Yeah? You jump from 2 legs, you turn twice in the air, and you change and you land in the same place. So go like this. I'll show you once.
Okay, show me.
Basically.
All right. Maybe I can do it. Shit. Which way?
So you
Left or
gotta
right?
go to the right, if you're standing this way.
Uh-huh.
Go to the left, you're standing this way. So you gotta figure out what's better for you.
So,
In the
alright.
arms, you go open, close.
Okay.
Open, close. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man. I gotta take this.
Take this. Cool. I'll practice a little bit on my own.
Okay, cool. Cool. Halo. Pa di si prijatelji? Šta ima? Šta? Biće sniga, a? Ma kako to?
Man, what the fuck did you say, man?
What?
Bitch ass nigga. I'm not a nigga.
No, man, ako, nazad ću ti nazad. Samo, this was my friend, he's from Croatia, you know?
He's a nigga?
No, he's not black man, but he said it's going to snow, and it's like, biće sniga, you know?
Snow is nigga to you.
No, it's like, biće sniga from the sky, you know, so, no offense, man.
Okay, so it's your language, it's cool. It's cool.
Okay.
I got you, man. No problem. Bite me on the show,
Okay.
call me nigga.
Yeah,
Great.
okay. I will try to do this again.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Some disposition, no? Try one time. And
Oh, fuck.
Almost.
Almost, huh?
Really, really good.
I tried.
Listen, man, take your call, man. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Just a second. Jo. Snimamo. Kdo, rile? Ne, niga.
Hey, man, this is the last time you say nigga, man.
A ne, se... Ne, no.
The last time you call me nigga, man. I told you about this, man. I really told you. I told you. Not on my fucking... I come on your show, you call me a nigga, man?
Yeah, sorry, I'm just not here.
No.
Ne sabe na štala.
I ripped my pants.
He kicked my ass.
You learned a valuable lesson today.
Yeah.
Don't speak your language around a black man.
Yeah. Don't speak your language around black man. Okay, this was Joe Bunn. It was really nice to see you, man.
Man, same here, man.
Hope to see you again.
Thanks for showing me, man.
Okay,
It's
man.
the champion right here.
Yeah.
Champ. Champ, number one.
Thank you, man. Peace.